This 2023 CrossRoads Hampton HP372FDB is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new CrossRoads is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 4, microwave, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, external shower, water heater, stove top burner, CO detector, smoke detector, LP detector, slideout, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bath and a half, couples coach, front living area, kitchen island, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 CrossRoads Hampton HP372FDB is 11,126 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.